In this test, we use Ketchen's induction heating system to braze a steel pipe to a steel fitting using a built-in brazing ring. With the induction coil carefully tuned, the brazing alloy is precisely heated to the required temperature, allowing the filler to melt and flow smoothly into the joint, ensuring a perfect metallurgical bond. The system's high degree of control prevents overheating of surrounding areas, maintaining the integrity of the steel components. This setup, paired with Ketchen's advanced induction heating technology, ensures clean, repeatable, and efficient brazing for steel pipe applications in industries like HVAC, automotive, and fluid systems.